In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an estimate in QuickBooks Online. If you've created an estimate that's no longer needed, cleaning it up helps keep your records tidy and your reporting accurate. Before we begin, a quick note. You'll need the right permissions to delete transactions in your company file, so make sure you're signed in with a role that allows it. Also, deleting an estimate removes it from your list, so double-check you're working with the correct one. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and logging into your company account. Confirm you're in the correct company if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look at the left navigation menu and click All Apps. This opens the Apps area where you can access different tools connected to your QuickBooks. Under Customer Hub, select Estimates. The Estimates section shows a list of the estimates your team has created, along with key details like customer name, estimate number, amount, and status. Find the estimate you want to delete. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by customer, date, or status. It's a good idea to glance at the estimate number and customer name to confirm it's the one you intend to remove. When you're sure, click the estimate to open it. Inside the estimate, review the details one last time. If this estimate was already converted to an invoice, consider verifying that status first, because deleting the estimate won't remove the invoice. When you're ready, scroll to the bottom of the estimate and click More. This reveals additional actions beyond the standard save options. From that menu, choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. This step is important because it prevents accidental removals. After you confirm, the estimate will be deleted and you'll be returned to your list. If you don't see it anymore, that means the deletion worked. If your list is filtered, clear or refresh your filters to verify the change. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If your layout looks a little different, your company might be using a slightly updated navigation, but the Estimates area under your customer tools will still be available. And if you're maintaining an audit trail, consider noting the estimate number and customer in your internal records before deletion, just for reference. That's it. You've successfully deleted an estimate in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.